Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious s'mores cupcakes. We've got a buttery biscuit base, moist chocolate cake, and then we've got blowtorch Italian meringue and drizzled chocolate. It's amazing. So to start, we're going to make that buttery biscuit base. So you're going to take your crushed Digestive biscuits or graham crackers or whatever, and your melted butter and your golden syrup, and you're going to go stir that all through. Now try not to spill on the counter like I did. And you just want to stir that all through until all those biscuit crumbs have been coated thoroughly with all that butter and golden syrup. If you feel this is a bit dry, you can add a bit more syrup. Then you're going to place about a tablespoon of that into each of your cupcake cases. Now this recipe will make about 14 to 15 cupcakes. So once you've added all that biscuit base, you can take the back of the spoon and you're just going to press that down. Now I know 14 is a bit of an odd number of cupcakes to make, but if you only want to make 12 cupcakes, you can just add a bit of extra biscuit base and use it all up, and then just pour the chocolate batter into a separate mould and bake that off separately. So once you've filled all those, you're going to set that off to the side and we're going to make our fudge cupcake batter. So place the flour, sugar, cocoa powder and bicarbonate of soda into a bowl, and you're going to whisk that until it's all combined. Then in a jug, you're going to place your oil, milk, eggs and golden syrup, and you're going to whisk that all through too. If you want the full breakdown of ingredients and quantities, they will be in the description box below. So whisk that all through till it's combined. Now the oil and the milk won't combine properly, so you just need to make sure that it's about evenly dispersed. Then pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients, and you guessed it, whisk it all up till it's combined. Now on camera it does go a funny like brown colour that's not very attractive, but trust me, this is a really good batter. So add a scoop of that into each of your cupcake cases. Now I find it easiest to use an ice cream scoop because it ensures that you can add an even amount of batter each time. But if you've got a preferred way, maybe using a jug or whatever, that's absolutely fine. Now once you've filled up those cupcakes, you're going to bake those at 180 degrees for about 20 to 22 minutes, or until they're springy on top and a fork comes out clean. To make the Italian meringue to go on top of the cupcakes, you're going to place the sugar and the water into a small saucepan, and then you need a candy thermometer and you want to heat that until it starts to bubble and boil. Once it reaches about 110 degrees, you're going to add your egg whites into your stand mixer and you're going to whip those until they become stiff. At 114 degrees C, you're going to dribble that sugar syrup into the egg whites. Now you want to do this slowly and carefully. Once this side of the bowl becomes cold, you can pipe a nice blob of that Italian meringue onto your cupcakes. If you've got a blowtorch, give them a quick blowtorch. I'm not sure what's happening with my blowtorch here, but I seem to get a rather large flame. So yeah, blowtorch that until it's nice and golden brown, and then you're going to drizzle that with some melted chocolate, and that is literally it. These are so easy, they look amazing, and they taste even better. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. You can click here to see my last video, and here to see a video randomly selected by YouTube for you.